GM Legends. Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're talking about an amazing call on Kgen. I shilled this one early on today, and it's already trading among the top gainers. Judging by the price structure, it's likely just the beginning. We have a solid uptrend and constant buy pressure, which when combined with the bullish pattern on the higher time frame, a clear symmetrical triangle breakout, is all you need before you see another explosive move. The key support at 0.4828 is holding well, confirming the retest. I'm expecting this momentum to carry us to the ATH resistance zone of 0.70 to 0.720, which is about 50% higher from here. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. To join our new VIP group, just click the bot link in the description. Peace out.